Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial of PostgreSQL. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the union and the union all operator. So first let me tell you what is actually union operator. So union operator is basically used to combine the results of two or more select statements that have duplicate rows or either do not have duplicate rows. So what I mean is that if I want to select suppose two statements at a time, I have a statement that is select star from company, and I have another statement that is select star from department. Now what I need to do is I want to combine the results of the two tables, or the data that I get. I have to combine the two results. So for that I will use the union operator or the union all operator. So if you want to use the union operator, so we should select exactly the same number of columns, the same data type, or but they do not need to be of the same length. So what I mean here is, like, suppose I have two tables, that is one is a company table and one is a department table. So that's the trend that we have been following since the beginning. So for the union operator to work, what I need to do is that suppose I'm selecting ID, name, and department from my company table. So what I need to do in the department table is that I need to select the ID, department, and the name from the department table as well. They need to be of the same type. So for example, if I select name from here but I do not have a name column here, so this would give me an error. So what I need to do is I need to select the ID and the department, the ID and the department. So that's all I can do in the union operator. If I do something else, that if I select name and if I select something else, that is employee ID here, it will give me an error because it is not of the same data type. So you need to remember this. So the length could vary, but they need to be of the same time, that same type. That's compulsion. So what is the difference between union and union all is that in union, if we have any duplicate rows, that would be combined into a single row, or we do not see any duplicate entries if we use a union operator. While in case of a union all operator, the duplicate rows, we can see the duplicate rows, and they are a part of the results. So let me demonstrate it with to you with the help of example. So for example, I want to do an inner join on the company and the department table. So what I do is select um, company dot id and name and department from company, and I do an inner join department on company dot id equal to department dot id. So company. So what I see is only one result on company that I need to do emp underscore id, because here the id means the serial number and emp id means the employee id which we want. So in this case, you could see that if I do an inner join, I see this result. Now suppose I want to do an uh, left outer join or something like that, right outer join or left outer join. So for this I need to just write left outer join, run it, and you could see that I have my results here, that is 10 results. Now suppose that I want to perform an inner join and a left outer join simultaneously. Now I need to combine the results of both of these. So in this case I will use the union operator, that is, if you could do inner join here. Now what I need to do is I need to perform a union operator, and I need to do it for left outer join. So what it does is that it performs this first, then it performs this, and it combines the result of both of these. So if I run this, I would see no change, I guess, or yeah, I have 10 results now. So you could see that this is a combination of the inner join and the left outer join. So you could see here that I have same columns, same data type, but length could vary, so that's not a problem. And now to demonstrate union all, so what you need to do is just type union all. So you would see that if we have any duplicate entries in both of these tables, it would be shown now. So you could just do, and you see that number of results have been turned out to be 12 now. So you see that if I do union all, you could find the duplicate rows. That is, see, this is a duplicate row, and this is a duplicate row. So this is the purpose of union and union all. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more and stay tuned.